Stay close, everyone. Hold my hand.
Are there real dinosaurs inside?
That thing is unreal.
This little guy is a velociraptor hatchling, one of the newest additions to our dinosaur encounter program. This little one hatched just last week. We're keeping them calm before they're feeding. Notice the feather development.
Look, it's turning around. It's huge.
Wow, incredible. It's looking right at us.
Oh my goodness, look how tall that dinosaur is. It's incredible. Look at them, they're huge.
Are those the Parasaurolophuses?
Incredible, I can't believe they're real.
It's flaring its frill.
That is incredible.
I wonder if they'll come out. Can you imagine jumping in where they are?
It's huge! Is it looking at us? Get back from the railing!
Wow, look at that sail. It's huge. Are you getting this?
Wow, look at that.
It's massive!
Did you see how fast it grabbed the fish? That was incredible.
Look at this place.
They said the dinosaurs here are massive.
True giants of the savannah.
As we approach the iguanodon herd, you can observe their unique walking motion. They primarily eat low-lying vegetation.
As we approach, you can really appreciate the scale of the Triceratops. Notice the keratin sheath on those horns. It's truly a sight to behold.
Wow, look at them go!
That one is massive.
I've never seen anything like it. Look at the size of that thing.
Is it looking at us?
This is it, the apex containment zone. I'm excited to show you where we house some of our biggest predators.
It looks so real. Which one is that again?
I think it's the Ceratosaurus.
Look how big it is!
It's coming right towards the glass.
Is everyone getting this on video?
Wow, I still can't believe a place like this exists. If you want to support the park and see more adventures like this, hit subscribe.